Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change background on Picsart. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're gonna, swipe right for a little bit and you're gonna see the fit option. So we're gonna click on it and you're gonna change the background, size as you want. If you want it square or portrait, in our case, I'm gonna just leave it at post, and I'm gonna click on the eraser right here above in the middle, and I'm gonna click on the person. So I'm gonna just leave it like that and click on the check mark right here. And if you want to change colors, right, if you want to make it like this or make it like that, or if you want to see multiple colors for a background, you can always do that. And you can change the background to the color that you want to do it, and basically that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow and hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.